Cella Ford, creating customers for life.
Come test drive the 2011 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, child safety locks, power windows, power door locks, tachometer, front suspension type, strut, capless fuel filler system, one-touch windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Cella Ford, creating customers for life.